Bang, bang, look what we've got here. Well, howdy partner, we have something very special that has got gold foil on it. I just wanted you to see how glamorous this publication is. We brought it in from the USA for bibliophileBooks.com to sell at a discounted price. And let's have a peep inside. Goodness, you wouldn't want to see down that barrel or any of these barrels, but it's an amazing piece of technology. And to appreciate this tool as a weapon is this glamorous book with all its photographic beauty and amazing technology that goes behind the gun. It begins with the game-changing matchlock to the latest innovations in rifles, shotguns, handguns and more. There's the Winchester Model 1873, the Smith & Wesson Model 41, right to the AK47. You can admire the artistry, but not what happens with these. It's an amazing book. It's a $40 book, first time discounted through bibliophileBooks.com. Gun, 100 Greatest Firearms.